Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crocheters channel. Today what we're going to talk about is a collaboration and a giveaway. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell below. So, a couple months back, Setta from Setta's Place and I collaborated on a giveaway. We had purchased, each of us had purchased the Crochet exclamation point magazine, and as you all know, I put out a video reviewing that crochet magazine with you guys. And then what we decided to do together was we each were going to pick an item out of that magazine and then crochet it and then have you guys guess what that item was. And then whoever the winner was, we picked winners, right? And I actually picked two winners, one who guessed it correctly and then a secondary winner as well. So FYI, we're going to do that again, but not with that magazine, because recently we got the newest Crochet exclamation point magazine. Now, I have already shown you all the contents from inside of this. I think it was like about a month ago. But she and I were actually waiting for the Crochet World to see if we liked that content in there better than this. And we both have decided that this is the magazine that we are going to do this collaboration and giveaway out of. So when you finish watching my video, make sure to go over to Setta's Place because she's going to be releasing her video today as well. So let's get to what it's going to be like this time, okay? Because it's a little bit different. And I'll say right up front, this is not affiliated with YouTube in any way, shape, or form. This will be international or worldwide. I mean, it'll be worldwide because for in the States, I'll send the actual packaging, but if it's outside of the United States, I'll send the equivalent as a gift card. I want to say that up front. Okay, and so it'll start today, May 5th, and then I will make the item and then pick the winner on Wednesday, May 26th. So let's talk about this. Okay, so I have already done a review of the crochet exclamation point. Instead of having you guys, I think there's 16 or 18 items in here. So this time what Setta and I are doing, I'm going to pick 4 items out of here and she's going to pick 4 and she's going to show you the 4 she picks. And I'm going to show you the 4 I pick, and it's going to be out of one of those 4 items that you will need to say, oh, you're going to make that one item. So I'm going to show you 4. You pick one of those items that you think I'm going to make and then put it in the comments below. And I will pick from the comments, use the random picker, hopefully, and pick from the comments below. As for the prize, I'm going to do like I did last time. And by that I mean whatever item I decide to make, I'm going to make that into a kit. And so it may not be the exact color that I make, but I will, like if I make green, I may not have enough additional green to send. I may send blue or whatever. But anyway, I'll make a kit which is going to include the yarn enough to make the product, a hook, and the pattern, and throw in stitch markers if it's required for that pattern. Okay, so let me show you the pattern or the items that I'm considering making. And again, pick one, put it below. All right, so number 1 is this guy here. This is called the Strasbourg Hexagon Shawl. I'm going to tell you right away, I love the color of this guy. And it's a U-shaped shawl. And it uses, I'm going to show you the back. It uses size 3 yarn. Very pretty. And here's the back. Again, and in the comments you would just put, if you think it's going to be that, you would just put the shawl. And I talked about this when I did the video on this, that I would probably modify the neck, but this is really pretty. Okay, so number 1 is the shawl. All right, let's go look at number 2. My second pick is what's called the Soulmate Tee. Soulmate Tee. And this says, simple, easy, and stylish. This tee is worked in sections of lace and solid stitch patterns the front and back are worked the same and are then seamed together. And when I talked about this on my other video, I mentioned that I may change the pattern up and put the darker on the top and then put the open mesh at the bottom. Who knows if I do decide to make that. Definitely not that color, but that's number 2. So number 1 is the shawl. Number 2 is T. All right, let's look at number 3. Number 3 is this guy. And this is called the Spring Day Kimono Cardi. And again, when I did the video on this guy, I see it's made with variegated pastel yarn, which I would not use if I made this. And I think it's a size 4, which is what I shared when I made the video, that it's too heavy. I would probably make it with, if I make this, I'd make it with a 3 or something, and not variegated. But it says it's made with variegated pastel, airy, cardi, stylish. It adds a pop of color. Let me see if there's, and you can see on the design on the sleeves there. That's cute, huh? So that's number 3. So we have 1 is the shawl, 2 is the T, 3 is the cardi. And let me get you number 4. Here's number 4. This, I just really like the pattern. And this one is Summer Romance Throw. Look at that stitch pattern. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Yeah. Okay. So, and this one says, beautiful throw adds sophistication to a product that is much easier to make than it looks. Subtle lace shell pattern allows just the perfect touch of warmth on a summer's night. So those are the 4 items. There's like 16 or something other items in this magazine, but those are the ones that I feel like making right now. So one of those 4 is what I'm going to make. And so if you have a guess as to which one, you can just pop it in the comments below. So I'll remind you again, 1 is the shawl. Okay. 2 is the t-shirt. 3 is the kimono. And then 4 is the throw. So those are the 4 out of this magazine. And if you want to look at them some more, either wind back the video or go back to the video that I made about this crochet exclamation point. Okay, so put your guess in the comments below, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do more than one guess. I won't exclude that. And I will make it, and I will do the drawing on make sure Wednesday, May 26th, so I'll close it around noon and draw in that afternoon. I'll announce the winner. Probably will be winners, to be honest, just like I did the last time. I did 2 winners. I'll probably do the same this time. 1 with the person who actually made the correct guess, and then 1 for random. Okay? All right, guys, but that's what I wanted to share with you today. Have fun guessing, and don't forget to go over to Setta's and take a look at hers as well. Have a fantastic day. Bye.